Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check time tracked by employees in ClickUp quickly and accurately. Whether you're a manager reviewing productivity, a team lead approving timesheets, or you simply want clear visibility into where work hours are going, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space, folder, or list where your team's tasks are managed. Once you're there, switch to List View, because this view works best for reviewing time data. Look at the columns in your list and check if you can see time tracked and time estimate. If you don't see them, click the plus icon to add a new column, then enable time tracked and time estimate. This instantly gives you a clear overview of how much time employees have logged on each task. Next, to review detailed time entries, click directly on a task assigned to an employee. Inside the task, you'll find the time tracking section where logged hours are displayed. Here, you can see whether time was tracked using the timer or entered manually, along with dates, notes, tags, and whether the time was marked as billable or non-billable. This level of detail makes it easy to understand exactly how time was spent. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Encourage employees to add notes and tags when logging time, use billable labels consistently, and make sure everyone tracks time daily. Doing this upfront saves managers time and prevents confusion during reviews or approvals. If you want to check time that isn't tied to a specific task, head to the Time Tracking or Timesheets area from the sidebar. Here, you can view time entries grouped by employee and by day. You'll also see entries labeled No Task Selected, which you can click to assign to the correct task if needed. This helps keep reports clean and accurate. Once you've reviewed everything, you can use this data for approvals, reporting, or performance analysis. After that, you should be able to monitor employee time confidently without missing any important details. It's also a great idea to visualize this data in dashboards for quick insights across projects and clients. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to check time tracked by employees in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with other managers or team leads. Why not make someone's day easier?